Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chantel. Welcome. So today we are playing with a beautiful new palette. This is the Moprhe 39S palette, such a gem, and literally it is a gem. It is stunning. I'm just gonna open her up and just give you guys a look. It's so pretty. Like, just take a good look at that. Hello? It is so beautiful. Like, I think that this is my favorite palette that I have. And I have a lot of palettes. But I am just literally in love with every shade in this palette. It's got such beautiful pinks, purples. It's got a beautiful row here of just like your neutral browns. This shade right here is beautiful. Inner corner highlight is just such a beautiful like champagne gold. You've got like some beautiful like this shade here is really interesting. I've never seen it before. It's like a grey toned cool brown. Something I've never seen before, and I actually can't wait to try it. But I think it would look so beautiful with like the black and have like a silver like beautiful smoky eye. I think that would look so stunning. I have done a really cool purple look on my Instagram. I'll leave my picture here, Chantel's Makeup and Beauty. If you don't follow, go on your Instagram and follow me, please. I do post like more creative looks that I don't put here on my YouTube, so if you're into that, then go have a look. But yeah, anyway, I've just been using pretty much these like pink shades today for my eyes, even though it kind of looks purple on camera, which is weird because it's not purple. So what's interesting about this palette is that these middle shades right here are like toppers. So I'm just going to do a couple of swatches for you guys. But honestly, they are so pretty. So they're not like as pigmented as like your normal like shimmer shades. But as you can see, they've just got a very like iridescent glow to them. They are so pretty. I do have, let me just clean my hands first. So I did use this shade right here for my inner corner highlight. So you can put like a shimmer down and then put these like on top, and it just gives like a very beautiful like shimmer iridescent look. So there also is a glitter shade in here, which is really cool. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. I have done a full face for you guys, so let's get started. Alright you guys, I have already done my brows, and I just used the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 3.5. And as Nikki Tutorials would say, I have Optimus primed, and I have just used the P. Louise base in the shade 1, I'm pretty sure. And I only just got this a month ago, and it is so good, you guys. Like, it's so different when you're like so used to putting, you know, your concealer and setting it, and it's just so weird to put like, it's not really like a concealer base, but something that's wet and you just don't set it. It's so weird to just get your head around it, but I'm kind of loving it. So let's just get straight in. Alright, so I'm just taking a big white fluffy brush. This is from Moprhe, and I'm going into this beautiful like hot pink shade. And basically what I'm going to be doing is just stamping this like in the crease. So just keep picking up some product and just stamping that along and then we're going to blend after. Alright. Just keep blending, just keep blending. So now I'm going to be taking a bit of a darker pink. This is like a beautiful like fuchsia hot pink. These shades are so pretty, like I'm literally obsessed. And I'm just taking this on a Zoeva 225 brush, and I'm basically just going to be working this in the crease as well. But I'm not going to put it all the way. I'm basically just working on this outer corner here, because we are going to try and darken this up. Okay, so now I'm taking a Moprhe M506 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into 2 shades. So I'm first grabbing this like maroon red and then going in with the dark purple. And I'm putting this on the outer corner crease. So I did go in and add a little bit of black in the outer corner as well. So now I'm going to cut the crease, and you just want to get a flat little synthetic brush, and I'm going in with my P. Louise base. Okay, so I was really umming and ahhing about what shade to use for my lid. So I'm just going in with this beautiful pink shade and seeing how this looks. You're right. Not going on this at all. Okay, I'm going to use my finger. So I'm going to grab one of these topper shades. This is like a more purple one. And just kind of put it where the black meets the pink. Yeah, that's pretty. That's nice, yeah. Okay, I like that. Alright, I'll just do exact same to the other side. So now I'm just going to take a little bit more of the black and the dark purple and just make sure it's all blended. So now I'm going to be taking one of these really light pink toppers for the inner corner. All these like middle shades are really pretty for like inner corner highlighters, especially the middle gold one. It is so stunning. Alright, so I'm not going to do any liner today. I'm just going to stick some lashes on, and I just take... So I just take these lashes by Holy Grail Cosmetics. They are in the style Drama, I'm pretty sure. These are literally my favourite lashes. They're so bloody good. They remind me a lot of the Baddie B lashes, but these are a lot cheaper, especially if you are in Australia. So yeah, they're amazing. They're so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop these on and let's move on to the face. Okay, so for foundation, I'm just taking the Maybelline Superstay. If you guys want a really cheap, like affordable foundation that is going to be full coverage, then I highly recommend that you buy this. But yeah, just don't mind my skin. I just got IPL, so it's like going through like a peeling stage. So if my foundation doesn't look great, then you know why. God, I hate not having fake tan. I just look so pale. Like, hello Casper. This is not good. Not a good time. Alright, so now just taking my favourite concealer at the moment, the Fenty, and I'm in the shade 120. Oh, looking so white, you guys. I don't like it. Right, so now I'm just taking my Kat Von D setting powder and putting that under the eye. So now I'm just taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil powder. Now, this is such an amazing brush for bronzer. This is just out of a Moprhe like brush set, but because it's just so big and fluffy, it is so good. It just blends bronzer so beautifully. It's amazing. Okay, so bronzing is complete, and then I'm just going to add some more translucent powder just below where I've bronzed, just to make it look really nice and seamless. So for now for blush, I'm going to take the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade 20 Bury Me Up. Essence does such beautiful blushes and they are so cheap. They are so affordable. So pretty. I'm literally obsessed with that shade. Right now for highlighter, I'm taking the Master Chrome Maybelline Metallic Highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Oh my god, it is stunning. It is so pretty. Like, I just got this because in Australia we're a bit behind with things, and this basically like just recently came out. And look at this, ready? How pretty. It's just like legit like a beautiful rose gold, and it's stunning for people like me that are pale, and it's just beautiful. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. I have like the gold one and I do really like that, but I feel like it does look nicer on darker skin tones. But this one is so pretty. I love it. Alright, the face is done. So now I'm just going to set it with my Fix Plus. And now we can move on to under the eye area and the lips. Okay, so back in with the Moprhe M506 brush. Oh, I've got translucent powder all over me. I'm going in with the first shade I used, which was like the hot pink. And then I'm going in straight to the dark purple shade and just putting that on the outer edge. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a brush like this and go into the black. And I'm just like stamping it on the outer edge. Okay, so for lips I'm just taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade number 9 and I'm just going to put that on my lips. It's just a very beautiful, like a natural pink. I didn't want to go too out there with the lips, and then I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty lip gloss and just going to put that in the center. Alright, this look is done, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I love this look so much. It's so pretty. You could definitely wear this going out. I am literally obsessed. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me some love and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the love and support, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!